Alright, today's date is January 7, 2026, and I'm gonna describe the cable setup on the C11A-XLT telescope and the CGXL mount and its tripod. I have a 4X controller, image train, reducer, SCT adapter, SB Bunny filter drawer, the camera, SB Bunny monochrome camera, focus motor, finder scope, star sense auto guider, of course weights, 22 pounds each, 2 weights, the rod. Now the cable setup. Alright, star sense auto guider, I got 4 cables, the heating strap, the thermistor, heating strap, thermistor, ST4 connection, USB L shape connection, C. Now the ST4 goes to the mount auxiliary 2. Star sense auto guider. The USB-C cable, this is to see the live view on the camera, goes from the star sense auto guider to USB 3 connector in the 4X. The heating strap and thermistor, star sense auto guider to channel 2 in the 4X. Camera, data USB camera cable to the laptop. The power cable from the SB Bunny is its own AC adapter. I have it there, and goes to the AC connector cable. The focus motor uses an ST4 connection for the power all the way to auxiliary 3 in the mount, in the declination axis. 11-inch heater ring and thermistor all the way to the 4X channel 1. The power for the mount is a cable that goes from the power here straight down to the 4X connector channel 2. This is the power for the mount. You said 2 different cables, by the way. Using this cable here, I don't know the name yet. There we go, right there is the name. That's the cable name there, connected to the accessory cable, the connector for the mount that goes straight to channel 2 in the 4X. The auxiliary 1 in the mount, CGXL mount, is an ST4 cable that goes from the mount auxiliary 1 to the 4X controller auxiliary 1. This is the power for the mount. The other cable goes, it's a printer cable, from the mount straight to the laptop. The next cable, of course, is the laptop AC power, connected to that extension, the cord that I connect to the AC wall. So, and the other AC power connector, which is this one here, connected to the 4X controller, the specifications you see on the screen, including the XT60 12 volt input cable there. This extension is short, that goes and it connected to the Pegasus power supply, and that's the connection a new configuration. I have advice from Celestron that I need to test. In the computer they told me to use CPWI to align the scope and use Nina, and that's what I'm gonna do. Now an additional task that I'm doing on my own, I'm gonna polar align the mount using Pole Master. That's what I'm gonna do, just to experiment and see how that works. I know the manual on the SSAG or Star Sensor Guide says an error less than 1 arc minute is not recommended, but at least I can, it's been working so far. But I'm gonna use the Pole Master to do polar alignment at the moment. Other than that, this is the update on configuration 3, I call it, diagram 3, on the cables, on the CGX mount and the C11 telescope.